Hey guys, it's me Hugo. I'm back with another video, and we are on Koh Phangan again, and it's our last day here in Koh Phangan. So we want to go to this beach. It's called Bottle Beach, and we also want to go to this waterfall. So I'm gonna take you guys with me. I didn't really film too much the last couple of days or the last week. I only filmed the diving stuff, the free diving stuff in Koh that you saw.
Alright guys, so I know it's a little bit bright out here, but I'm gonna show you in a second why. I just want to let you guys know, so today we traveled to Koh. It's like 40 minutes away from Koh Phangan, where we were for the last 12 days. We were 12 days in Koh Phangan, and now we're gonna be here for 4 or 5 days because we're gonna go diving. But maybe we're gonna stay a little bit later, we don't know yet, because we just found this amazing place. So first of all, this road here was like uphill all the day, all like uphill, like super uphill. So it was like really a struggle to get up there, and then like all the way down. And now we're on the beach just in this magical place. And I'm gonna go in the sea now, do a little bit of snorkeling, or actually like free diving because I don't have a snorkel. And I'm gonna take you guys with me as well. But first of all, you have to check out this place. So.
And in the morning, I'm alright alone without you. There's no phone and there's no calls. There's no talking to you at all. And I don't care late at night when it's not you. But when I look out in the rain, I think about.
So let's see what this vlog's going to look like. We stayed at an Airbnb the first time we were here, and then we did go to Koh, stayed in an Airbnb as well, and then when we wanted to come back, we didn't get an Airbnb, so we got this, and I'm gonna take you guys outside. It's the best decision we did so far to get this little bungalow. This is our balcony. It's as you see, it's right on the beach, and this is the best hammock I've ever been on. Right, at least it's the best placed hammock I've ever been on, because it's just beautiful sitting here. Then the wind, the waves, everything's just playing out. And yeah, yesterday I didn't tell you guys yet. Yesterday I was at the Full Moon Festival, Full Moon Party. That's every month at full moon at this one big beach here in Koh Phangan. I'm gonna here's some clips of it.
Nein, Bruder! Aber er lächelt!
Hat nicht funktioniert.
Verdammt!
But I obviously didn't really film anything because I just wanted this experience for myself. But let's see what this day brings. And then tomorrow we're gonna go to Bali, and then I'm gonna take you guys with me as well. I think Bali's gonna be a little bit different from what we've seen here so far. So I'm very excited for Bali as well. But I don't really want to leave Koh Phangan, to be honest. But we will see. We will see.
You can't wait on other people to be what you've been called to be. You can't wait on their affirmation. You can't wait on their approval. You can't wait on their support. Sometimes you just got to run and look behind you and say, everybody who wants to run, run, but I can't stop running because you're not running with me. Listen to me, hear me. You can't stop chasing your dream just because somebody in your life won't chase it with you. You can't stop believing in yourself just because somebody in your life won't believe in you. You can't stop chasing the dreams of your life just because when you know when you do it, you're going to have to do it all by yourself.
Yeah. Alright guys, so I hope that I got it. I hope that I filmed this when we were going crazy on this big road. But is there anything, is there anything that's more fun than driving your scooter on Koh Phangan? I don't think so. I think it's at least top 10. At least top 10 of all the things you can do in this road. So do it. Just do it. So we are currently climbing up the waterfall, but some people already told us that there's not really any water. So I guess it's not really a waterfall, but it's still a very nice place to be, I guess. So check this out. Alright guys, so yeah, other guys are down there. I just climbed up this hill because there's like no water, but I want to try to find the source of the waterfall. So so that's why I'm here now. So let's see where this road, let's say this path, takes me. Alright guys, so I'm sitting here on top of the waterfall, or at least on one part of top of the waterfall, because it's way more up there, and I hope we're gonna go up there. Okay guys, so we are up here. This is pretty cool. It looks super deep. And now we're gonna go all the way up there. Guys, I just worked out for a few hours, did a bunch of kicking, found this guy that I could do some combinations, stand-up combinations together with, and then after that we grappled a little bit, but like everything very low intensity because of my shoulder. But it really felt good today. I didn't have any pain in it, and I just love this gym that I'm in at, and I just love this island. So everybody of you that can afford to go on a vacation somewhere or to come here to Thailand, you have to check out Koh Phangan. It's just so chill. The island is, I just love this place. So check this out.